Because this is, if AI can just self-perpetuate and learn, I don't see why it's not already ruling the world now, but it wouldn't want to be known as ruling the world. So it'd be deceiving everyone low-key over the course of 5 to 10 years. I'm just wondering, are people thinking that that could be the case, or is that me fantasizing about some sci-fi which just isn't reality?
I mean, I think in a way you are right, because it's already happening. We are being controlled constantly, because even even how we look at things is already programmed, and it can only be more and more and more. And look at what happened with Corona. It was a good test, right? So we did everything they said, so we were like computers. And yeah, if you want to solve this, which is solvable, then you have to go to a higher power, to a higher consciousness, and involve, let's say, other dimensions. What I find really interesting is the example. You know what is forking or not?
What, sorry?
A fork. You know that? Or not? Okay, but forking, for example, they use that term a lot in technology, especially in blockchains, or EOS, for example, use forking and stuff like this. But forking, in principle, is just choosing a path of where you're going, right? So it means that if I, for example, decide today to not take the car and just walk to the beach and go for a swim, my life is completely changed. My path is completely changed. But if I decide to take the car, my path is completely changed. If I decide to take the bicycle, my path is completely changed. If I decide to swim in the sea, my path is completely changed. My whole life has changed. So then you're talking about all these parallel worlds on top of each other, yeah. Or you're talking about forking again, right? So we're trying to copy a lot of things, which is much more complicated than our understanding, and I think we're fucking stupid. So we say, oh yeah, we're intelligent. I mean, we're fucking stupid. I believe that there are people who are much more intelligent, and they just don't even care about all this stuff. And they are the ones who are really in power, let's say, right? For example, now at this moment there is a plane flying over here where I'm sitting. It's my conscious mind deciding if that noise is irritating or not, right? So I decided it's not irritating, so I just continue. So it means it doesn't irritate me, right? It's something really simple. It just happened now. So this is the same with programming and with computers, right? So this is the key of everything. And then also, will we be able to jump from dimension to dimension? Maybe it's already done. I don't know. We're always talking about time machines, but maybe time machines is jumping from dimension to dimension. I mean, if you believe the studies of the Indians, there are 26 dimensions. So you know, and that is what they say, right? So what is then, let's say, enlightenment? And I always laugh about people who say, computers dangerous, and then they go to meditation, you know, they go yoga, or they go to meditate, or they go to these camps, right? I think it's really funny. They go to the camp, oh man, it was fantastic, wow, and it feels so great, blah blah. And 2 weeks later, they have the same job, they're doing the same stupid shit as they were doing before, and talking the same and seeing everything the same. And they had 2 weeks of, oh, I'm so ego good, I am so conscious, I'm so enlightened. I mean, sorry to say, fuck you. Right? So it's bullshit.